So hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel Philanagos. So it's been a very long time that I have not upload video from my channel. So today I'm thinking that for you guys who are subscribe my channel, I want to show some new place for you that I have never been before been here. This place is very popular in YouTube, Instagram, but for me this is the first time that I used to enter here. So this is called uh, golf links in Shillong. When you came to Shillong, if you want to spend a good moments with nature, or you want to breathe a good air, so you just come here. The token price, it will take only 30 rupees 1%, then enjoy here. So let me show you all around here. It is a really big playground. 1 hour is not enough to spend here. See, it is green grass, green.